it's Kim and I'm here with Jade and we are going to make boneless pork ribs with rice tonight.
Baby rice.
Okay, and then what's that?
Meat.
And meat. And this is country style pork ribs that are boneless. And then we have some barbecue sauce, and that's all we're going to be using for this recipe.
Have that sauce.
We totally will have that sauce.
I love that sauce.
I think it's super yummy too. What'd you do?
Dumped it in.
You dumped it in. I went to go grab the baby, and Jade had already dumped in the rice. So you can see there's just 1 cup of rice in there, and that's brown rice. And then we're gonna do 1 1/4 cups of water. 1 1/4 cups of water.
Can I mix?
Yes, you can mix it. And then I make sure the rice is even at the bottom. And then we add the trivet. We're gonna add the pork ribs. I'm just gonna pop them right on top. We just have to, there we go. Okay, so I have the ribs arranged so they're not on top of one another and they're all on top of the trivet. And now I'm gonna cover them in barbecue sauce. Okay, Jade, can you help me pour some of the barbecue sauce in? And this is about maybe like a 1/2 cup. I just kind of drizzle it on. All the juices and the barbecue sauce from the meat will get in the rice, but that's okay. So it's important that you use brown rice for this recipe because like jasmine rice is going to cook way faster than the meat. We have the lid on. We're going to lock it in place, set the valve on top to sealing, and then we're going to do manual. There we go. And then we're going to add time to 22 minutes. And that is it. What do you want to do while it's cooking?
Play.
Okay, let's go play. What's your sister doing over here?
Play. Not play.
She's playing all by herself. Just wanted to do a quick update. It took 14 minutes to come to pressure and now we're just waiting for it to cook. Okay, so the timer just went off. I'm gonna let it sit on natural release for about 10 minutes. What that means is I'm not gonna flip the valve on the top for about 10 more minutes. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes and I'm going to release the rest of the pressure. To do that, you put your hand to this side of the valve and carefully move it from sealing to venting. All right, moment of truth. I'm going to transfer the meat onto the pan here and add some more barbecue sauce and broil it just for a couple of minutes to add some texture. Okay, so now I'm going to add the barbecue sauce. Put it on the top rack to broil for about 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, so let's check this rice out. There's a piece of meat that got lost in there. Yum, the rice looks done. And it has all the yummy juices and some of the barbecue sauce from the meat, and it's gonna be super tasty. Okay, so this is how it turned out. It looks super yummy. How is it, Jade?
Good.
Yeah. What was your favorite part?
Chicken.
Yeah, the meat was your favorite part?
Yeah.
Cool.
This piggy sauce.
With the piggy sauce, good. I'm glad you liked it.
I'm kind of new. This.
A new sauce? You tried a new sauce and you liked it, didn't you?
And we gobbled it all up.
Yes, you did.
Makes it to a stew.
Yes, you did. Thank you for helping.